Today we will be solving if-else if problem statement. The problem statement states, given marks of a student, print on the screen grade A if marks is greater than or equal to 90, grade B if marks is greater than or equal to 70, grade C if marks is greater than or equal to 50, grade D if marks is greater than or equal to 35, fail otherwise. So let's start coding. So we have input here, int marks. We'll use that. If marks is greater than or equal to 90, we print out grade A, else if marks is greater than or equal to 70, we should print grade B. I forgot to add a semicolon here to end the statement, so grade B here. So for the other two conditions, that is for 50 the marks is greater than or equal to 50, we will give grade C. If the marks is greater than or equal to 35, then we will give grade D. Else for any other condition we would fail the student, else fail. Let's run this program. So it's accepted. So for 95 marks, grade A. For the 14 marks, the output is fail. Let's submit this code. So all the 24 test cases passed. Thank you, friends.